Hi, in this video we are going to show you how to install the subscriptions module in easy forms. The first step is to upload the zip file to your server, inside the modules folder, and extract it. Then delete the zip file. The file structure should be as we see in the video. The next step is to activate the update module in the config/web.php file. Then, we will open the update script with the browser and follow the process as we always do. Finally, we are going to deactivate the update module. That's all. Now you can access the subscriptions manager to configure and create subscription plans. Easy, right?